is he?
Woo!
Well, hello Avery.
Hey everybody!
I'm Josh Kerbach, that's Avery Hodge, and this is another edition of Friday Fast Facts. Avery, what are we going to be talking about today?
Josh, today we're talking about the importance of summer car care.
Well, Avery, that does sound very important. Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, the most important thing when it comes to summer car care is starting to pay attention to your tires. With the extreme temperature during the day and the cooler temperatures at night, you're really going to start losing PSI in your tires.
What does that mean, Avery?
Well, you can start experiencing some weird things happening to your vehicle as far as the car pulling left or right, strange wear patterns on your tires, and even some reduced fuel mileage.
Really? Well,
Absolutely.
Avery, is there anything we can do to help here at Original One?
Actually, there is, Josh. We sell TPMS sensors that are certified and verified to meet the original OEM specifications.
That's excellent, Avery. Well, Avery, another great tip for your car for the summertime is, in the event that you live in a warm region, a good idea is to have a sunshade or a windshield visor to put up in your windshield during the day to make sure that not only do you come into a more comfortable temperature when you get into your car, but it will also help protect your car from fading and cracking on the interior and the dash.
That's a great point, Josh.
Well, Avery, thank you. Is there anything else that you can add to this?
You know, I do have a few other things. The most important being, before you go on your road trips, go ahead and check that AC. A lot of times, some of us haven't used the AC since winter, and you get on that road trip and you realize, oh no, it's not working. So go ahead, take it to your local mechanic, make sure it's charged properly. Also have him top off your windshield wiper fluid so when you start driving through those love bugs and mosquitoes, you're able to easily get them off. That's almost a safety hazard.
Wow.
And last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and wash and wax your ride to make sure that that sun isn't beating down on the paint.
That's a great tip, Avery. And thank you so much for joining me today. And thank you, everyone, for joining us for another edition of Friday Fast Facts. And remember, it's not just a part in the box, it's the original one.
And also remember, Luke, I am your father.